ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అంతేకాదండోయ్ పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ సింబల్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తే మేము చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో నోటిఫికేషన్ మీకు వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ కమెంట్.
Let us learn how birds make their nests. Birds build nests to hatch their eggs in it. They take care of their young in it. The weaver birds make their nests by weaving grass stems. They attach the nest to a tree with a light grass frame. The nest has a long passage with a hollow at one end for the eggs. Indian tailor birds build nests by stitching leaves together. They thread dry grass stems through the edges of the leaves, creating a nest that is hidden in the leaves. Indian robins make their nests with grass, soft twigs, wool, roots, hair, and cotton wool on top. Crows build their nests made up of all kinds of things like twigs, feathers, threads, even pieces of wire and wood in the fork of the branches of tall trees. Doves make their nests among the thorns of a cactus plant or a mehendi hedge in hollows with twigs and fibers. Sarus cranes make huge nests of paddy straw, reeds, and grasses. Their nests are usually in the middle of a flooded field. Sparrows and pigeons build their nests wherever they can. House martins make mud nests.